Isa ka bang soon-to-be bride and soon-to-be groom at naghahanap ng mga tips kung paano nga ba sisimulan ang wedding planning mo? Look no more guys, because I am Valerie, a wedding planner, an event planner, and even a wedding content creator in Cebu, Philippines. And for today's video, I will be showing to you guys some guide and tips on how you can start planning your dream wedding. So part 1 is to have your own vision and budget plan. Now, with the budget planning guys, it has to be something that you have already visualized kung ano nga ba yung dream wedding mo. Dapat malinaw kung ano yung theme, vibe, at priorities ninyo. Ito ba ay isang classic wedding, an intimate wedding, or a grand wedding for the centuries? Ito din ba ay isang garden wedding, church wedding, or a civil wedding? Make sure na alam mo ito, or make sure that you have already planned it with your soon-to-be wife and soon-to-be husband on what kind of wedding yung talagang gusto ninyo na tama at angkop sa inyong budget. So, for this part guys, I would suggest to create your vision board. Meaning, ano yung dream wedding mo, dream theme mo, ano yung dream vibe mo on your wedding day. If you want help with creating your vision board, there's a lot of template in the Pinterest guys. So, go grab nyo na lang sa Pinterest guys. You can copy, download any sample videos and photos from Pinterest. Under the budgeting guys, let's say for example, you already have a specific budget for a photographer, videographer, or caterer or venue because you have already inquired your dream theme, your dream venue, kung magkano yun. I would highly suggest na maglaan kayo 10 to 20% extra or tinatawag nating buffer on each of the categories budget. Para ito sa mga unexpected na mga extra fees or unexpected na mga expenses. It's better to be ready than be sorry guys if you're not very well prepared on that. So let's say for example for your caterer, yung total budget nyo dyan is 50,000. Now, maglaan ka ng 20% from the 50,000. Magkano nga ba siya? Let me grab some calculator. So for the 20% guys, that's 10,000 pesos. So maglaan ka ng 20% which is 10,000 for the budget of your venue. So that's how you're gonna be doing it for unexpected events. Next is to assemble your dream team. So if you are someone that has already like a dream photographer, dream videographer, dream venue, again, you can always put them on the list. Piliin sila guys according sa mga vision mo and according again sa inyong budget. Now, on our end guys, we have a specific package na talaga. So, for the package, for a wedding package, we have a different kind of rates and different kind of suppliers under that rate. So, we always ask, let's say for example, for this package, ito yung mga suppliers under to that package. For example, si florist 1, output ni florist 1 for the package A. But in case na gusto naman ni client, the florist number 2, kasi under siya sa premium dun sa package B, we also offer that kind of customizable. Depending talaga siya kung ano yung gusto ni client. Medyo husky yung ano ko ngayon guys, yung voice ko because medyo naantok na ako kasi 1 a.m. na guys, almost 2 a.m. na. And going back sa ating topic, again, it actually depend on client wants. So, let's say for example, si florist 2 yung gusto ni client, the rates will actually differ from the florist 1. Kasi nga, let's say for example, si florist 1, he is more on the classic na package. But si florist number 2, it's premium because, again, mas mahal yung rate niya. Mas maganda din naman yung output, but still depend on you if you wanted to grab. So, that's how we do our, like, the package and setting expectation that will actually best fit to the client's one vision and the client's 2 budget. So if you're going to do it on your own guys, if you wanted to look for your own florist and video and photographer, rates actually differ depends on their names, the quality of the work, and how long they have been in the industry. So if you might wonder na bakit mahal si photographer 1 or mas mura naman si photographer 2, depende talaga yan sa output guys. But again, if you wanted to be on the photographer 1 kasi mas mura siya, then go for it. Always have your options guys, okay? But to set expectation, hindi talaga magkakaparehas lahat ng rates. Depende yan sa skills and abilities of your suppliers and with your dream team. Now, next is for the venue selection and styling. So, sa venue, gusto nyo ba indoor? Gusto nyo ba garden? Gusto nyo ba outdoor? Now, my only tip for an outdoor or garden venue is to make sure you have a backup venue. So, the recent one that I've noticed, guys, that has a wedding outside is yung kasal ni Jose Manalo at saka yung EB Babe. So, nakita ko na parang may dalawang venue and I noticed that the first venue where host job hosted is nasa labas sila. And when I look at it, outdoor pala yung kanyang venue. Siguro nung nasa next video na, nasa indoor na sila, siguro umulan na yun, kaya lumipat sila. That's what going to happen if you wanted to opt for a outdoor wedding. I wouldn't really recommend you wanted to do an outdoor tapos magta-tent kayo. That's one, it's gonna be an additional cost, but again, medyo hindi talaga maganda ang output kung may tent on your wedding day. I would still suggest na merong back venue talaga or function hall where you could like transfer for your guests and continue the program. Now, in terms of the styling naman, again, that's what really matters kasi every stylist has a different kind of styling. Sa amin, meron kaming mga different kind of stylist and we always show them a sample output na si stylist 1, ito yung output niya. Si stylist 2, ito yung output niya. So, which of which you wanted to be part of your dream team. So, sasabihin ng client, I want a stylist 2 kasi mas gusto ko yung output niya. Then, go for it. But, again, it would be a little more expensive because mahal talaga si stylist 2 kasi she's belonging to the premium, decor stylist. The next one is about what kind of wedding is it? Is it a civil wedding, an intimate wedding, a church wedding, or a grand wedding? So, it actually depends. But for me, guys, based on my experience, if you are someone who plans to have an intimate wedding, I want you to make sure or to parang strong yung yung kagustuhan mo na it will be an intimate wedding. Kasi what happened to us on our previous couple, si bride gusto niya intimate wedding lang. So parang at first 30 guests lang, tapos naging 50 guests, tapos naging 60 guests. Now after na post yung prenup photos niya at saka yung videos niya, that's when a lot of people has like, congratulates, ma'am, congratulations po, kailan po ang kasal? So parang lahat nag-expect na ng invitation. And since marami na nga nakalam na ikakasal siya, she thought of inviting more na lang to come up with 100 guests. But what happened is that yung venue niya na book na namin, guys, for her is can only accommodate 60 packs. Wala nang extra na accommodation that can be offered to her kasi nga fully booked na yung venue. So it's either she can give up that venue, move and look for a bigger space, but that's gonna be costly for her. So she decided to keep the venue and keep the guest list to 60 packs. So again, that will come up while you're doing the wedding planning, guys. So that's why gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na mas siguraduhin ninyo kung strong yung decision making ninyo in terms of the guest list kasi walang atrasan kapag pwede ka namang umatras as long as meron kang madaming bala. Okay, I wanted to give up the venue and just look for a bigger one. That's okay. I can give up the 40,000. No, yaman, di ba? I can give up the 40,000 just para lang sa mga guest ko, but that's a very rare to happen. So just be sure talaga na you are very strong in your decision. Now, in wedding planning, there's a lot of changes. The longer the preparation, the more changes it will happen na kapag malapitan na talaga yung yung kasal. And it's pretty normal. Kaya nga, we always, for me, I would really prefer na mga 1 month or 2 months wedding preparation lang. Yung parang bilisan lang kasi yung decision, pambilisan din. And then, parang isang tulog lang or 2 tulog lang. Wala na. Tapos na yung wedding, guys. Kasi mapilis lang yung takbo ng wedding planning. And in wedding planning, guys, I know that, sticking to the budget really, talaga hard. Especially na every now and then, meron kang nakikita na kailangan mo i-spend. Every now and then, meron kang nakikita na kailangan kang gumastos nito. So, it's pretty normal. Kaya nga, I wanted to make sure na you're allocating like a buffer on your budget. Okay, so let's say for example, na lang ang on general, yung general talaga is you wanted to budget if 500,000 for your wedding. I suggest maglaan ka ng 100,000 more para just in case what is going to happen, you have a buffer. At least lang naman, diba? Pero yung ano mo talaga, yung budget mo is only 500. But again, for the buffer, put some a little bit more. 100 would be a really good numbers na. Nakaka-stress mag-wedding planning. I get that. Even us who's been planning multiple weddings, guys, talagang nakaka-stress siya. But as long as you're very well organized in terms of your wedding planning, you have your information and details in one place, then you will be in a good place. One of the helpful tool that help us as a wedding planners is to have our own finance budget tracker. Meaning, let's say for example, you come to us na kumuha ka ng package for us and here's are the services included, and make sure na on our finance tracker it is being tracked down. So it's gonna be the same with you guys if you are a DIY bride and you're doing this on your own. Na, okay, I'm paying directly to the supplier. Now I will be sharing with you our finance tracker. It's a super duper helpful and we've been using this for the last 3 years that we are doing a wedding planning services on tracking our money. Kasi every peso counts talaga. Wherever the money goes, wherever the money comes, diba? So, yeah, it will track down on, let's say, this is your budget for the venue, this is your budget for the stylist, this is the budget for your photo and video. And let's say, magkano nga ba yung na down payment mo, so automatic nagka-calculate siya, and I will be showing you that tracker. I'm not sure if I can screen capture here, but or maybe a separate video, but hopefully I will be able to do that. So yun na nga, if you wanted to avail, guys, it will be available on my racket.ph account, so link in the description box below, or I will be pinning it in the comment section. Yun. So that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful for soon to be bride and soon to be couple, soon to be groom, like nyo naman dyan and i-comment ninyo kailan ang target ninyo na wedding day. So comment down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to know more about helpful tips on wedding planning as your wedding planner, event planner, and a wedding content creator. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this to your friends who also might be needing some information like this. I will be seeing you on the next video. Bye, guys.